ice that came sprinkling down. This is gonna be so good. Hey y'all, it's your girl, Supportive Mom. We are back and we are ice in. We got ice everywhere in Memphis. Today we're gonna make some chili. I'm like, okay, what else is it to do? I know what I'm doing, and what all y'all probably doing is eating and watching TV. I'm watching the haves and have not. If y'all been watching my story, a lot of y'all probably already watched it, but I'm just watching it, and I tell you, I'm on season 5, and Candace and her mama had me in tears today. When that girl asked her mama to hug her, y'all, I was messed up. If y'all already had watched it, go and watch Have and Have Not while you iced in or snowed in. Go ahead and get it started. But let's get in this house. Let's make this chili so we can get warm. And y'all see my hair because I washed it and conditioned it. Decided about to hook that up, so that's gonna be another video. So let's go in the house and make this chili. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I got D-Side and Destiny in the building, and today we are cooking. We iced all in Memphis. I'm not gonna say snowed in because we got snow. Like the first day we had snow, then after that we got ice, y'all. The ice came all down. So y'all know in Memphis we barely move around when it's raining. So we are in the house. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make some chili. Let's hop right in here and y'all come on. I know y'all been cooking for y'all husbands and y'all boo and y'all babes that y'all get snowed in with them or iced in with them. Let me show y'all what I got here. Everything that I need for my chili. I got my fresh yellow onion. I got my ground beef. It's a ground beef and pork blend. 80% lean and 20% fat. If you want some turkey, you can put some turkey in there, okay? If you don't eat beef, but I'm a beef eater. I got me some fresh garlic to put in here. We got the black pepper. How y'all pronounce this? Some people say paprika, and some people say paprika, okay? Whatever you prefer, it's fine. Of course, you got to have some chili powder, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, 4 cans of already washed and drained kidney beans. And I'm gonna show y'all this nice new can opener. I want to show y'all that I got. Hold on, let me get my hub from the back. Well, hey, Greg, can you come show me how to use this can opener?
Thought I had chili.
Come here, boo, let me show you. Y'all, this is a nice, handy can opener that my husband found. It opens up, it takes the top right off. It's hands-free, automatic, handy can opener. I know y'all probably saying, you can't use a Supportive Mom. Nah, I just want him to come in here and help. It's one of the as seen on TV things. So, and put it on there. And just goes around.
Hope he's cutting it though.
Go. Move your hand back, move your hand. So they see it.
Bam, there it is.
Hands-free can opener. So you just lock it on here. And there's a little button right here on top. So you push it. And y'all see how it's going around. Hands-free. And don't sit it close to the edge because y'all saw how my hood was grabbing it because he thought it was going to come off. It's all the way around, stop, and it turns off. When it's done, and you pick it up. And what I like about this, see how it takes the whole edges off. If you put it in the trash can, you don't have to worry about getting cut or anything with it. And so then you just take it right out. Okay, we'll put our pot on high. You want to get the skillet good and high to sizzle. Because you don't want to be eating ground beef that's not cooked all the way through. And while we're waiting for that to heat up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to dice up our onion. And I told y'all once before when you're cutting up the onion, and if you run it under cold water, it won't make you crack. So I'm just going to cut the ends off of there. Going to peel that skin off of there. While your husband laying back there in the back room watching TV, he gonna be smelling all these good onions. And y'all know Valentine's Day coming. So make y'all husbands some chili to work on that Valentine's Day present, right? Have y'all started thinking about Valentine's Day yet? But I got all 3 of my girls the same thing for Valentine's Day for a Christmas gift. So I cheated a little bit. I did Valentine's and Christmas in one. Here we go. But what I always do when I'm cooking, I add a small amount because you can add more, but remember you can't take it out. So You want to make sure that ground beef is all done. You don't want to put no raw beef in there, okay? Because once you put it over in there, you can't get it cooked. So you're going to make sure it's cooked thoroughly all the way through before you add it to the pot. So now it's all cooked. All my onions are all glistening and pretty. Oh, I just wish y'all could smell it. Oh, I really do. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to add this in here slowly. Oh, wait, okay. Oh, that's going to be so good. That's going to be too good. And you could drain this if you like. I chose not to today. Because I know that there is not enough seasoning in here. And nobody wants bland chili, right? Add a little sugar. It is an enhancer. Oh, that's going to be so good. And the top that I have here on all my pots, y'all, my top's got this little hole so when it's simmering, it won't boil over. Okay, y'all, what I did, I decided to take the chili out of the smaller pot and put it into a nice 8-quart gourmet stainless steel pot so that I could turn it up a little bit higher. So that way that flavor is just coming all the way through. So look at all that good flavor. Simmer, 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 simmer. Oh, can y'all smell it? Inhale, breathe. Oh, it smells so good. That flavor is really cooking in there. All right, what we're gonna do while we're waiting on that chili, we're gonna have your nice hot griddle, and you're gonna get your butter dish with your already softened butter on it. You'll get your butter knife, bread, and you're just gonna spread it, because it's already nice and soft. Want some more hard butter. So you can either eat your chili with the crackers, or you can choose to eat it with the grilled cheese. Or you may just want the nice sauteed square crackers, okay? What you want to do when you cook your chili, make sure that you allow that chili to simmer really slow. So if your chili is not simmering really slow, then you're going to be saying, oh, the flavor's not right. You're going to be adding seasonings, trying to get the taste right. But if you add your seasonings in there and allow it to simmer, all that flavor just to simmer and come through to get in the beans, get in the meat, get in the sauce, then everything just cooks all through, tastes all good so you don't over season. Because remember, you can always add to, but you can't take away. So once you plate it up all nicely, like I have here, then I'm going to get ready to take it into my husband. I gave my husband his plate. He made a stop over here. He's not saying anything, so it lets me know that it's good. How is it?
I think you passed.
Tell the truth, Greg. Just say it.
I say you passed.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm going to get ready to call D-Side and Mr. Lincoln down, and we're going to get ready to eat. So it's icy and dicey outside, so we're going to get all warm and cuddly inside. I got my hair nice and shampooed. That's another video coming. D-Side is going to hook me up like she did for all of Destiny. So that's going to be my next video. But right now, I'm going to get ready to sit down, enjoy my chili. I hope y'all stay warm. I hope you live somewhere where the power didn't go out. If it did, I hope they hurry up and get your power back on. Comment down below and let me know if the ice storm came in the city where you live at. I thank God in Memphis we didn't have any power outages. So shout out to MLGW. Woo! First year they did that. First year, first time ever that we did not have any power outages. Okay, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And y'all know Supportive Mom love y'all. And I'm going to see y'all the next time.